The last topic of the chapter quadratic equation, chapter number 4, is the nature of roots. Students, we can find the nature of the roots in quadratic equation by, here it is given, roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 are given by x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Students, this is the quadratic formula by which we can find the value of x, two values of x of the quadratic equation which is in this form. Okay, so after having this value we can get the two different values of x, plus we can find the nature of the roots. The quadratic equation is of degree 2, so obviously it will have the two different roots. So what will be the nature of those roots? We can get it here. You see, this root over b square minus 4ac, that is b square minus 4ac, will determine that what is the nature of the root. So the first is, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, that means how it can be less than or greater than? See, it depends upon the value of a, b and c. The value of b, if we square the value of v, if it comes less than the product of 4 into a which is here or c into here, c which is here, if it comes less, then its value will be less than 0. If its value is more, then it will be greater than 0. So likewise, so if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, we get two distinct real roots, that is minus ba plus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a and minus b upon 2a minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So if b square, so these are the two different values we will get when b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Now the second case, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then this whole term will get 0, will become vanish from here. So x equals to minus b upon 2a plus minus 0, that is x equals to minus b upon 2a or minus b upon 2a. So the roots of the equations a square plus bx square plus c is equals to 0 are both minus b upon 2a, or we can say that the equation has the two equal real roots in this case. Means the roots will be real, but the roots will be same at the time. So the third case, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then there is no real number whose square is b square minus 4ac. There is no real number whose square is b square minus 4ac if it is less than 0. You see, minus d it will come. So therefore, there are no real roots for the given quadratic equation in this case. Since b square minus 4ac determines whether the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 has real roots or not, so b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant of this quadratic equation or determinant. Okay. So it's determined the value, what will be the nature of the values of this, of any quadratic equation. So of this quadratic equation, so a quadratic equation of this has two distinct real roots if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, two equal real roots if b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, and no real roots of if b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So exercise 4.1, the first question we have to find that what is the nature of the roots by finding the d over here. Okay. So you see, 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equals to 0. Let us compare with the standard form of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Compare. A is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 3, c is equals to 5. So d will be, that is discriminant will be b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. So here d will be minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 5, 9 minus 40. So it is minus 31 which is less than 0. As d is less than 0, so therefore no real roots exist. We will not get any value of x with this equation what we have in the question. Okay. Now the question number 2. Question number 2 says, find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. If they have two equal roots, then we have to find the values for x. Okay, value of k we have to get it. So the first question is 2x square kx plus 3 is equals to 0. Plus 3 is equals to 0. If it is compared with the general form, now we have to find the d. D is what? B square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac, it is given that find the value of k for the quadratic equation so that they have two equal roots. So they will be equal to 0. So it will be equal to 0. So b square, b is k square, 4 is 4, a is 2 and c is 3. So that is equals to 0. So k square minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 equals to 0. So k square is equals to 24. If we take root over, so it will be plus minus under root 24. If we take the factors of 24, so we will get the more simpler form of this answer. So the answer will be, the value of k will be plus minus root over 24. So in this way we can find the nature of the roots or the quadratic equation of any situation will exist or not. That can be determined with this value of discriminant. If it comes greater than 0, if it comes equals to 0, or if it comes less than 0. Okay, so I hope you have understood. One or two questions or more depends upon the same condition. So please solve it, work hard, practice more and more questions for your exams. All the best. Thank you.